Hello, my name is Hari Das Pal. Well, not exactly. I haven't gotten my name changed, but let's see who this person is. Hari Das Pal is a proper name plus surname. In a sentence, it does not carry any inherent meaning. Just for reference, Dash means servant or server, and Hari is one of the names of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. So Hari Dash literally translates to a server or servant of Lord Shri Krishna. But in a sentence, it is not used in this meaning. In a sentence, it is just used as a proper noun. In other languages also, we have certain names which have implied meanings and are used in specific contexts. For example, in English, we have the average Joe or the average Jane, which implies a typical ordinary person. In Bengali also, we have certain names, one of which is Hari Das Pal, which have an implied meaning and are used in specific contexts. Hari Das Pal is the name of a man. It's a masculine name, but it can be used for both men and women alike. The reason is this name embodies a quality, and also there's this fact that Bengali is a gender neutral language, and you can just plug this proper name into it and use it for both men and women alike. Now, Hari Das Pal means or implies someone who people around him or her think has an inflated sense of self-importance. Notice the stress on the word think, because this inflated sense of self-importance may or may not be true for the person. The person may think of himself as a hotshot, or he may not, but that does not matter. What matters is people around him perceive him to be as a person with a high ego. So if that is the perception, that this person has a very high ego, then people around him can use Hari Das Pal as a slang or a condescending pointer to describe that person. Let's see a couple of examples. তুমি স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট কেন পাবে? কে তুমি হরি দাস পাল হে? তুমি স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট কেন পাবে? কে তুমি হরি দাস পাল হে? Why should you get any sort of special treatment? Do you think you are a very important person like Hari Das Pal? Now the next sentence is in honorific. We haven't really learned honorific yet, but since we use Hari Das Pal to pick up quarrels with strangers also, and when talking to strangers we generally go for the honorific formal form of this language. That's why I thought it's good to include one sentence which is in that format. কে আমার হরি দাস পাল এলেন রে, সবার আগে ওনাকে লাইন ছেড়ে দিতে হবে। কে আমার হরি দাস পাল এলেন রে, সবার আগে ওনাকে লাইন ছেড়ে দিতে হবে। Oh, my Hari Das Pal has arrived. Everyone should leave their positions in the line and make way for him. Now don't be a Hari Das Pal and move on without liking or commenting the video if you really liked it. Thank you for today. Let's meet again soon.